In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create checklists in Trello for the year 2025. If you're new to Trello or just looking to enhance your organizational skills, this tutorial will be particularly helpful. Trello is a collaborative task management tool where you can create boards to organize tasks and projects. Today we'll explore how to streamline these tasks using checklists within your Trello cards. So without further ado, let's dive into it. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to trello.com. Once there, you'll notice the home page invites you to either sign up or log in. If you're not already logged in, click on the login button. This will guide you to the login page where you have two options, using your email or a Google account. Choose the method you prefer and enter your credentials to access your Trello homepage. Once you've logged in, navigate to the boards section. This is essentially your dashboard where all your existing and active boards are stored. If you have multiple boards, you'll find them neatly organized here. So take a moment to find the particular board where you'd like to create a new checklist. After locating your desired board, go ahead and click on it to open it up. You'll find various lists and cards defined within your board to manage different aspects of your project or task. Choose a specific card where you want to add a checklist. Simply click on that card and you'll be presented with the card details view. Within the card details, you should easily spot the checklist button among other options. Click on it to initiate a new checklist. At this point, a prompt will appear where you can name your checklist. Feel free to give it a descriptive name that captures what this list will entail. After naming it, just click Add to create it. Now that your checklist is in place, it's time to add tasks. Think of tasks as items you need to tick off to complete this specific card's objectives. Type in the first task and click on Add to include it in your checklist. You can repeat this step to add more tasks by continuing to type each task and pressing Add each time after entering a new one. You can keep adding tasks one by one, ensuring your entire checklist outlines all the steps needed for the card's completion. Remember, these checklists are dynamic and you can edit them anytime as your projects evolve or as new priorities emerge. And that's it, folks. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to create and manage checklists in Trello. This feature is incredibly useful for breaking down big tasks into smaller, actionable steps, helping you stay organized and on track. Try experimenting with multiple checklists and see how it boosts your productivity. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.